Good morning, everybody. Captain Namco here. And today we're getting ready to run my friend's Kirby Avalir. And this is from August of 2017. It basically has the same body style as the Centria 1 and 2. The only thing that's changed is the trimming. We're going to name a few things that's changed on the Avalir compared to the Centria. So the things that have changed is the front wheels, the trimming around the headlight, around the whole entire machine actually. The bumper on the power nozzle belt lifter is still the same. The handles changed. And you can see how much there was a change between the last 16 years between these two Kirbys right here. Back over here is my 2001 limited edition Kirby Generation 6. And you can tell the difference in the belt lifter. See how the belt lifter is square on this one? And the belt lifter is round on this guy. Basically, essentially the bumper color looks about the same around the actually it looks like the trimming around the headlight hood is the same on both machines. The only thing is the boot difference, the wheels, headlight lens, the whole entire headlight assembly changed. Even the looks of the headlight hood. The cloth bag, as you can tell the difference there, and the little part where the bag attaches to on the machine. You got red here, red there, a red strap versus black, red handle tilt latch, black versus red. Wheels are thinner versus thick ones on the older machines. Power switch is red on this one versus like a grayish color on that. The tech drive pedal would be yellow for drive on that one versus red, but this one, the tech drive pedal is non-existent. Same way with my G5, only be green, gray for neutral. Okay, let's get started. Listen at that thing. It runs really good. This machine sounds really good. Alright, y'all. Another thing I'd like to point out, all three of these Kirbys here do have a belt indicator light, which is located right here on the right side of the power nozzle, even on this one, that one, and my G5. Anyway, guys, drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for more videos. I'm your host, Captain Namco, saying thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. But until then, before I let you guys go, I always want to remind you that Jesus loves you. Take care.